Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum kids. This is Zainab Altaf from Divisional Public School, Nursery KG Wing. Hope all of you are fine. Today in this video, I will tell you how we will join the alphabets with vowels. As we have already learned in nursery, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Before going to start, I will tell you there is only one rule to follow, and that is the ending tail of the first alphabet will be joined with the beginning tail of the next alphabet. I repeat, the ending tail of the first alphabet will be joined with the beginning tail of the next alphabet. Let's start. Done, students. We have finished our joining writing. Wish you best of luck. Do practice at home. Allah Hafiz.